been 19 days since I poured Auro in a sample of tap water and a sample of rainwater, and we see different sort of sediment depositing on the bottom. So Auro basically has a four-step process of flocculation, coagulation, precipitation, and deposition. That's how it removes the toxins from our drinking water. Now it's interesting, obviously we're not going to drink rainwater, but what shows up in rainwater is very interesting. It's like these fiber type material. Very interesting. Again, this didn't drop to the ground or anything like that. It simply went right into the jar, and this is what we see, is these like fiber type materials that Auro has separated and they've deposited at the bottom. And so if you watch Harold Kaltzvela on YouTube, his work on rainwater analysis, some pretty dark, crazy things in there, connecting to like Morgellons and things like that. But yeah, that's very interesting little fiber material that is in our rainwater, okay? And then when we look at our tap water, we see the typical sediment. It kind of looks like rust, kind of this orangish, rusty material that's in our actual drinking water. And so the Auro has separated it, and it's rendered it harmless. So pretty interesting thing. Another side note is, if you're going to send in rainwater analysis to the lab and test for like strontium, barium, aluminum, all that stuff, send it in within 3 months. I waited too long, and the lab told me that it's out of holding time, so I wouldn't be able to get an accurate analysis. So we're not going to get lab results back to see if this has barium, strontium, and aluminum, but we can see what Auro did as far as producing these weird looking fibers on the bottom that were in our rainwater, and that obviously, you know, when it rains, gets in our crops and stuff like that. So whatever that is, again, look up Harold Kaltzvela on YouTube and see what he found. But yeah, that's it for now, and we have another test to show here in a sec.